Hey guys, it's Inaya Ali here. Welcome to my channel. Sorry. So today we're gonna do a avatar making myself in real life because a few of you haven't even seen my face yet. So I'm gonna make myself an avatar world. So right now I'm sitting in a staircase with a mirror, looking at myself to see what do I have to do. So I don't know what to start first. My hair is usually like loose all the time, like this, but it looks like a mermaid. I'm just gonna choose with this hair. Okay, my hair is usually black because that's what our color is. And I'm wearing a ponytail. Oh, that's a long ponytail. There, that's better. There you go. My eyes are black. Let's see. Oh, there's no black. Only gray. We have to do a gray. That's sort of black. God. I'm just gonna choose this eyes now. Oh, no. I don't know blush. I wish I had blush, but I do not. And I am often like this because I'm not that happy. My eyebrows are this or this? Come on, get low. No. I just gotta choose this one anyway, bruh. Okay. I'm not wearing an accessory, so let's go in here. Oh, there's so many cute ones. Oh my god. So many cute ones. I don't know what to choose. Like, literally. So much of them. I'm gonna make... What? Okay, color green. This one's perfect. This color. Okay. And trousers, I'm just wearing a just gray trousers, so it's fine. Now let's go for socks. I wear blue socks. And I wear chappal. Okay. And here we go. Here's me, the new me. Now let's continue with others. Okay. So we will make the second person. Comment down who shall we make next. Bye bye.